The wait is finally over. As you can tell by the title, I am heading to Mustang Week. I'm going to meet up with some guys now. We're driving from Massachusetts all the way down to Myrtle Beach. So I'm going to take you with me and document the experience. And I already have a lot of fun things planned during Mustang Week. And I cannot wait to show you guys. So without further ado, let's begin this first leg of the 13-hour drive. So I don't know how much filming I'm actually going to be doing during the nighttime trip because, well, it's nighttime, I don't really see anything, but there might be some couple clips here and there. Yeah, I still have about 20 minutes or so till I reach my friends. So I will catch back up with y'all when I get there. Okay, we met up. Probably recognize that car from the other video, but we've made it. We got 1, 2, got another 6 over there, another Cyclone. I think we're waiting on 2 more. I think we're waiting for a 14 GT and an 01 Mach. So I'm gonna fill up, say hello to everybody, and I think we'll be on our way. All right, we're on the road. I'm also gonna do a miles per gallon kind of test. So I just topped off this with the 373 gears, and a lot of people have been asking about the gas mileage with them. So this will be a good test to see how it goes. Station stop. Give you a little bit of a quick overview. The miles per gallon for that run was about 24.3 miles per gallon. This unfortunately only has 91 and 94 octane. I need 93. So waiting for the next gas station. All right, we're back on the road again. I decided to get 94. If you are tuned on 93, you can use 93 or higher, so 94 works. If you're tuned on 91, you can use 91, 93, 94. But you cannot use the lower rating of your tune. So, that's what we're doing. It's still gonna be dark for a couple more hours, but we'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Forgot to mention that for the miles per gallon that I just talked about, we were cruising at about 65 to 75 the whole time. So, of course, there's low traffic due to it being, midnight to 3 a.m. But that's all right. Just something for you to keep in mind. Rest stop number 2. So far, so good. I think we got about another 6-ish hours left to go. Stop number 3. You can tell that it's light outside. Nice and pretty skies. We are still probably about 5 hours out because of the stops, but ride has been nice. No issues. All right, that trip was 24.1 miles. Not too bad. Okay, everyone's just riling out here. All right, we'll just join them. There we go. All right, let's see how this one goes. Stop 4. I think it's 4. We're in Virginia now. I love traveling through Virginia. It's always nice. Perfect skies. Gas stop, I don't even know anymore. We're close. I think we're only about an hour and 50 away from our first stop for the day. But still a decent amount of driving to do today. It's the next day. I didn't film anything else yesterday. By the time we got back to the hotel, we were freaking exhausted. So, here's the part 2 of the trip to the Dragon. All right, this is day 2 of the Mustang Week trip. Did not record anything yesterday because as soon as we got to the place we were staying, we crashed because we were just so exhausted. So here's to part 2 of the trip to Mustang Week. big thing we're doing today, other than checking into where we're actually staying in Myrtle Beach, we're doing Back of the Dragon, which you will see in a future video. So I'm pretty excited about that. Again, we're on stock suspension and really terrible tires, so we're not going to be going too crazy with it, but but I'm sure the car will do fine, and look forward to that. We're finally at Myrtle Beach. We're doing a final little pump up, and that's it. So I think we're gonna cut it here. Thanks for watching. Make sure you do a like and a sub, and stay tuned for the rest of Mustang Week. Deuces.